Automatic spout welding and sealing machine. Speed up to 80 pouches per minute. Designed for fully automatic spout pouch welding, preventing contamination from human contact. Equipped with multi-station hot and cold sealing, ensuring a secure and beautiful sealing performance. Integrated finished product rack provides automatic row-based output, facilitating the subsequent packaging process. High compatibility, adaptable to various pouch sizes and materials, and easy for pouch changing. Suitable for straight spout pouch welding spout. Apply for the pouch size.